Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. Yeah, we're off to get some E85. Holding the cam, which is not what I normally like to do, but yeah, we're off. I've got, you can see my gauge here. We're pretty much running on fumes. I don't like to get it this low. And you can see my average miles per gallon right now is at 9.9, which is pretty average. Sometimes it's 10.1. For me, it's right in that area. So I'm kind of looking forward to seeing how bad E85 is. Gas station we're going to is about 2 miles up the road here. Where I live, there's only about 3 stations that carry E85, and I kind of live in the middle of them. The others are probably, I don't know, 8 miles out. And really, up until about 2 or 3 years ago, there was really only one station. And even that station's only been carrying E85 for, I don't know, 3 or 4 years. So it's pretty new in this area. It's pretty new. Anyway, I'm going to pause until we get to the station, and then we'll pick it up from there. One thing I do notice instantly after taking the truck off of stock, or taking the truck off of the 5-star tune, is those shift patterns, how bad they are from the factory. I mean, you can see right now I've got 40 pretty much pegged, and the truck wants to be in 6th gear. That is so annoying, because now I've got to try to get past. Prime example, got slow traffic, and now I'm only in 5th gear, and when I punch it, it's going to start to try to find gears. That's one thing I do enjoy about having the tune is at 30 miles an hour, I would only be in 3rd gear, and look, right now the truck's in 5th. There's just no reason for the truck to be in 5th gear. And watch when it shifted. It just shifted to 25 down to 4. I might be in 2nd gear right now if I had this thing tuned. I can feel the transmission trying to switch and figure out which gear it's trying to go in. So yeah, we'll see how long I can take it before I need to put the 5-star tune back on. But I do want to get a good baseline, so I'll probably run the new fuel for a couple weeks. See how we do. Going up to the speedway up here. They only have one pump, so we'll have to see if anybody's in that pump. Of course, people use this same pump for regular fuel, not just the E85 fuel. I got to see which one it is. It's right here. Yeah, good, it's open. FlexFuel. All right. Fill her up. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what the price of gas is here. What's going out? Oh. So you can see E85 is down to 208 and 87 is 258. So nice savings. Be good for a benchmark. Alright, so without giving away exactly where I'm at, there's the figures. 29.023 gallons at $2.08 and then 9/10 of a cent. So basically 208 a gallon. So there's my beginning numbers. We'll see how we do. Rather interesting. All right. couple of thoughts here while we leave. I usually don't buy gas from places like Speedway. I'm a top tier person. I use top tier fuels, and I don't think Speedway is a top tier provider. If you've never looked into top tier fuels, just Google that. A lot of good information out there. They basically use more than what the government specifies is required as far as additives. So it's something to look into. I know I follow a couple of RVers. I follow a couple of RVers on YouTube that have complained about, fuel pump issues and problems with their fuel. And I think so many of those could be alleviated if they didn't just buy from a mom and pop fuel provider and confirm they went with top tier. Just something to be aware of. All right, I think we'll cut it off here. Let me show you here where we're at. Starting with just about 300 miles till E. I do need to reset my computer here. Let's reset that and see how we do. All right, thanks for watching.